Hello, this is Allie Skinner, and this is my psychology presentation. My future job will be a mental health counselor. A mental health counselor is someone who counsels clients and patients to help them adjust to life, overcome dependencies, and make changes to their lives. I will treat various clients with a variety of conditions. In this job, I will emotionally help clients and occasionally counsel them on their relationships. I will help clients find and use coping mechanisms. The education requirements for a mental health counselor are a bachelor's degree in counseling or psychology. My 4-year plan directly sets up to this since I'm planning to get a 4-year degree in psychology, which would therefore set me up for this career. Here's a picture of me, and here's a picture of mental health, adapt, and family advocacy, which are very important and vital in the career of being a mental health counselor. Why I am majoring in psychology. I'm majoring in psychology because that's what I'm passionate about. It will help me acquire jobs I will enjoy later in life. It will be a challenge to get the degree, but I love psychology. Learning about the mind has always been something fascinating to me. That is why I'm majoring in psychology.